Good thing I didn't have to go in the piggy bank to get these. First they tell me these is called the big money saving. Then they switch it to it's made after that laugh, live, love painting that almost everyone has in their house. I don't know what to believe, but they do look expensive. Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we got the Nike SB Dunk Live, Laugh, Love, or Big Money Saving. Either way, it's an early review. Yes, sir. And I can see both ways, man. Like, if you look right here, it does give you that paint and that Live, Laugh, Love painting in there. You do get that, guys. But with all the 58% off and all the money situation, I think I'm leaning towards it being like some sort of a money shoe, because Nike Dunk has done this in the past, and also tax day coming up, and I think that's when these release, or maybe a couple days after. So I kind of could see both, but either way, man, it's a lot of quality, different textures and material on this sneaker, man. Like a lot. Like, we know SB do what they do, but with this one, yeah, man, it's a lot. But man, if you're first time checking me out, man, hit the subscribe button. All the stuff the YouTubers say, whatever, man. Today's Jackie Robb Day, and they dropped a nice, dope Nike Air Max 1 Jackie Robb today, but I feel like I got the only Jackie Robb sneaker I need right here with the Dunk. Should have been an SB. Yeah, but back to the video, man. Not the best of colors, but the best of textures, man. We don't do too much talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we back to the purple box, guys. The last SB I showed y'all, I think it was the skate joint, Risa, came in the white box, but this one we get the purple box back. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Big Money Savings. So but again, that's the label from the skate shop that I got it from. The Nike label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM. So it's something maybe they cannot. I'm gonna show y'all both so y'all can see it there. I think they can't call it Big Money Savings for some reason, just like the Barts couldn't really be called the Barts, but something like that, man. The color is Baroque Brown and Summit White. Sounds like boring colors. When you flip open the lid, there go your quality control stamp right there, guys. Always have a problem showing you that on this. See it? Boom. Okay, you get your green and white SB paper. Sometimes it's just black and white, but sometimes it's this dope hyper like neon green. And a glow-in-the-dark Nike SB sticker. Let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the Nike SB Dunk Low Live, Laugh, Love Big Money Savings, whatever you want to call it, guys. So let's start in the middle. We usually start with the toe box, but let's start here in the middle. This is where you get that Live, Laugh, Love painting, guys. The background just looks like a painting, so that's definitely there. The swoosh on both sides give you like that cracked leather feel, like cement almost, and that's on both sides. The Live, Laugh, Love with the cracked cement. Let's go to the toe box. That's where you get that Baroque Brown. This gives me a Cactus Jack vibe. So does the shoelaces, by the way. But the toe box is in like that sandy brown, like a potato sack material, if you can hear it. But that's brown. Around it, you get some more round, but that's in nubuck suede. Nice nubuck suede. You see it's going light to dark, light to dark. And that's all the way around. The highlight of the sneaker for me is this this blue down here, but it does have the paint sparkles that throw me off a little bit. But this blue is super dope, guys. I really like this blue at the bottom. Give me that CSC Crenshaw Skate Club SB look. But back to the top of the sneaker, that Baruch Brown is in the back, and you can see the material off the camera, man. Like, this is great material, man. So, like, the big money savings, I guess this sneaker was supposed to be a lot more, and we got 58% off. That's why you get that number there, but we'll get to that in a minute. Because even the toe box, you get a velvet, like, soft toe box. Sorry, guys, the tongue. I'm just hyped to get to all the textures in this sneaker. The tongue, you get like a velvet couch situation with the linen lines. Nike SB in that same blue down here that I told you I really like. And it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro over there. But just take a look at the fat tongue, guys. Looks like a pillow, man. I already told y'all the shoelaces it comes in. Gives me them Cactus Jack vibes, like the straw, Western rope, cowboy rope. And you do get other colorways. You get the blue, which I really like to match. And if you want to pop even more, I do like this rusted orange too. But before we get into that, in the back of the tongue, since I was showing y'all the front, you get a huge like coupon receipt with barcodes on it. So as you can see at the top, it reads Big Money Savings. You get like a barcode, but it's not valid for actual purchase. A whole bunch of swooshes under there. Super hot fire. 58 cool points. You want it, you got it. Now, I've been collecting sneakers for a long time, and I remember when the Nike store that we used to have on Fifth Avenue in New York used to give you points for your purchases just like this. So this is a nostalgia callback, guys. When you finally get under this big receipt, because it's a huge receipt, you get Nike as being some more nostalgic. I remember that logo. I just can't remember what sneaker it came from, but I remember that logo. It looks like Christmas time. Look like it's in 16-bit, like some Genesis game. But yeah, that's the inside of the right shoe. This is the left shoe here. You get 58% off on the left shoe. The receipt is not as huge because it don't read Big Money Saving or the cool points. But it's a 50% off Nike SB with another barcode. Same tongue. And I can't believe I didn't get to the back on that one. Y'all know I love the Nike regular logo back here. They switched it up. They gave us like some script, but it can look like some shoelaces. But a nice Nike nod there in the same orange of the shoelaces that come with it. But I like my regular Nike SB logo. But here go more textures as we go down. You get like some more mesh, hard mesh, luxury mesh here. Back to your brown. It's so many textures in this sneaker, and it's all rich. As you can see, it comes from the back all the way around. The sock liner even has a mesh diamond. You know, if you own a luxury car, you know like it's usually diamond in the inside. You get that around the sock line, and of course, you get the Nike SB technology right there around the Achilles that help for more skating. The bottom on both has the rust orange in the middle with that nice blue at the bottom. Very dope look. In the same inside from right to left, that classic Nike SB logo in there. Red and green like Christmas. It's crazy how they made it look so vintage, man. Looks like green and red roses around it also. Yes, sir, man. So this is the Nike SB Dunk. I'm calling it the Big Money Savings because it looked like I saved a few dollars getting this sneaker early. I mean, right now, Golden StockX has it for about 150, 160, depending on your size. But if Nike didn't make a lot of these, man, I think this sneaker's gonna go up a lot. Cause it's one of those sneakers with the theme that makes you remember where you was at when it dropped. The huge receipt, like there's so much stuff on this sneaker you don't see on a regular sneaker. Now, far as the colorway and the style of the sneaker, a little dull to me. You know we keep it real over here. A little dull to me, but some people are really into these colorways. I'm just not the one. I wish it had more blue in it and maybe a little more orange, but quality on the sneaker is A1, man. Again, this is an early review, so y'all can look at it and figure out if y'all gonna mess with it or not. I got 2 more early reviews coming, so that's why I couldn't really get too in depth with the video. But give me a couple of likes, man, and you already know we'll go under the magnifying glass and figure everything out with the sneaker. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.